Hello, beautiful internet family. My name is Dan Davis, and I'm the creative director here at DansTube.TV. And have you ever been out in the field flying your drone, maybe using active track and trying to run away from your drone, and boom, all of a sudden your knee clicks? Well, this could be an underrated but impressive drone accessory to help you out. It's called the HeatPulse knee massager, and it's from Hydragun. I've checked out Hydragun products in the past. They've got some really, really cool products. But this one's interesting because it's heat as well as massage therapy, and it does an amazing job. But for a lot of people, I've actually had a bunch of people message me and talk to me in passing, and they've told me about knee problems that they've had. And maybe they've been out in the field and they've had issues going to the next area because of the knee issues they're having. This could be ideal because when you're sitting down at a bench, chilling before you're going out for your next flight, or maybe you're going to walk somewhere else to a new location, you can put this on with your handy little accessory here, which clips on magnetically, and then you can set up a heat as well as a massage session for yourself while you're out and about. So really, really cool stuff. And Hydragun always have high quality products. It's well designed here. I really do like the design. And for a lot of people, this could actually be a really cool addition. Because like I said, the amount of people that message me or the amount of people I talk to that have knee problems, this could be a really cool thing. So basically what you do is you press and hold the power button and it starts heating it up. As always, Hydragun have super thorough details in their actual unboxing. So this book here has a bunch of details that you can go through. But basically you've got the sleeve, which goes over your knee. You've got the control pod, which allows you to control the vibration as well as the heat temperature. And then as you go through it, it tells you how to set it up. It's really easy to set up. It's honestly idiot proof. And once you turn it on, it starts out at 40 Celsius. So then from there, what you can do, you can then turn up with the plus, you can go up to 60. So 60 Celsius is the max you can go to. And then you've got 3 different pulsing settings or 3 different massage settings. So one's a little bit more gradual, like vibrates, chills, vibrates, chills. The second setting is more of like a longer vibrate and then chill, longer vibrate and chill. And then the final setting is a lot more intense. Maybe you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that on the mic, but that's like the max setting you can go to. So there's 3 different settings. And then with that, it starts to heat up the element as well. So that means that you're getting double the relief. So you're getting the heat therapy as well as the massage directly to your knee. Even though this is kind of a weird product for me to check out on the channel, I was really impressed once I put it on my knee. It was kind of an odd sensation at first, but once I took it off my knee, I found that I was a lot more relieved. Like occasionally I'll have some little issues, I guess, with my knee. Like if I'm at the gym doing legs, for example, I did have some form of an injury a while ago. So occasionally that will be an issue. So that's actually why I wanted to get this, because it's something practical for me. But again, it's a very safe system, nice and easy to put on and quite compact. Like if you had longer pants on, this would tuck underneath your pants pretty easily. And if you're wearing shorts, like it's a nice design. It doesn't look too full on. And it's also just a great brace. So, you know, if you don't actually want to have this control puck on, you can remove that because it's magnetic and just have it as a knee brace. But then straight when you put that on and it's again magnetic, you can flip it upside down if you want it the other way. And then from there, you literally have the pad, which is already starting to heat up now. So I can already feel the heat coming through, and that's 60 Celsius. And then from there, I can go with the 3 different massage settings. If you do want to check out the HeatPulse knee massager, then I will have a link below to check it out. It does help the channel as well. This is a sponsored video, so thank you so much to Hydragun for helping me out on this one. But if you do want to check it out, use that link. It helps me out, and you can get yourself one of these guys. They've also got some other really cool kind of massaging guns and other accessories over there. But like I said, with this one here, nice and easy, magnetic, you pull it off. It's USB-C, so you just plug that in to charge this unit here. And this is basically everything you need. You get like an extension strap, and you get a few other things in there, but this is really all you need. So quite a lightweight, compact design, but does a great job. I love how easily it clips in and how easy it is to adjust the heat settings and adjust the massage settings as well. If you do have issues with your knees, maybe you've had an injury in the past or some form of surgery or whatever it may be, I'm sure that you would have been told that heat therapy is going to be really good for you, but also having that massage, that kind of deeper tissue massage, is going to help the area around it if it is inflamed. But that heat therapy is really what's going to make a difference, I believe. But the two together do a great job. So I think that if you are someone that's having issues, or if you are, like I said, someone who likes to fly your drone but finds that your knees like seize up a lot, maybe you're in like a colder climate and your knees have issues in the colder weather, then something like this could be really cool. You could literally have two on, so you could have one on each knee, have it constantly penetrating your knee with that heat and massage vibration, and it's going to be doing a killer job. I actually love the idea of having two on, that would be epic. But yeah, you could literally just have the one on, go to the location, relax on a bench while you're flying your drone, for example, and then swap to the other knee while you're walking back to the car maybe. You jump in your car and then you've kind of relieved maybe some of the tension that you had in your knee. That actually might have been causing some issues, and maybe you weren't actually enjoying flying the drone because of the knee issues you're having. So I think this is a really cool, compact way to look after yourself while you're out and about. Like I said, you can check the link in the description below to check this out. It's $199, but you can pay in 4 interest-free installments. So check that out if you are in the market for a knee massager. So that's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of your amazing support. I'll chat to you in the next one. Peace.